Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Never seen live trading on a widescreen. Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday. I hope everybody had such a splendid weekend. Guys, we have so much to talk about. Guys, oil is coming down because Iran and the U.S. apparently are calling it quits and maybe putting together a peace deal. Michael Saylor bought some Bitcoin this morning. We do have a little bit of drama when it comes to the Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, beefing with Jamie Dimon. I think everybody beefs with Jamie Dimon except Liz Warren. But we'll digress on that. Bitcoin is rebounding. We're at $66,000. Bitcoin was the bottom in, or is this another trap? Guys, I want opinions in the chat, but if you guys are here and you're ready for the zest, the news, the tea, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of still 26,000 subscribers. YouTube is holding us down, guys. Please make sure you guys are smashing the like, subscribing, and really sharing this out with friends. We're getting after it, guys. I am very excited to talk to you guys today. Also, guys, I just want to let you know that Friday there is no show. I was looking at the travel schedule, and I really should be leaving my house very early on Friday morning, like very early Friday morning. So I will not be here on Friday. We are going to be flying out to Amsterdam for Litecoin Summit, guys. Amsterdam, June 22nd to the 23rd. Guys, this time freaking next week. We're going to be hanging out with each other in another country. I already know there are going to be some of you guys, a bunch of you guys there, and I'm just so excited, guys. So if you guys have not, go to litecoin.com/summit. Come hang out with me. Again, no show Friday, but we are here Monday through Thursday. And I am just so happy. I'm just so freaking excited, guys. We are going to Europe. I don't even know what's happening. I'm just showing up. Obviously, I know what I'm doing for Litecoin Summit. I will be hosting a panel. I think it is the 22nd at 2. So day 1 at 2 p.m., I believe I am hosting a panel. And I don't know if I'm allowed to spill the tea yet. I don't know if they put up the schedule or not. But I will be hosting a panel midday on the 22nd for anyone that wants to pop in. But guys, I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our sponsors, Cake Wallet and Uphold. Guys, go to uphold.com/Randy, support the channel, sign up. And it's free to sign up. It's free. All right, guys, we got, who's in this chat? Oh, guys, we also have a community after show today for everyone. I wanted to do one last community show before I left, and Wednesdays for members only. Please become a member of the channel, guys. Support, you'll get your stickers, and you'll get access to those Discord after shows. You don't see a schedule yet. I don't think they put it up, but I will keep you posting. I know for sure on the 22nd I'm doing a panel. So, and I'll be moderating it. I'm not on it. I'll moderate the panel, so I'm hosting it. Jesse, good morning. Mike Volmer, Shadows here. We got Haven. Good morning. There was a fake me in the chat. That's hilarious. Thank you, mods, for sniping that. Flat Earth, Silver Days, David Bulls, Fitz, good morning. Congrats to Fitz. He has another baby on the way. So precious. The messages from the Discord sometimes really get me in my feels. Just amazing, amazing. Just what a blessing to have a little babies. Peace, good morning. Where is Randy? You guys are so funny. John Legend, good morning. Ray K, good morning. Bear Hoofty Flu, good morning. Boom Doc, I see Yukio, Mike Vizona on X. All right, D5G, good morning. All right, guys. Oh, Uncle Billy's here. Uncle Billy, hello. What's up, everybody? All right. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Guys, we're going to Europe. We're going to Europe. I am starting to pack and everything. There's a lot of laundry happening, a lot of laundry in this household. But guys, we are going to get after it. Again, the news isn't too heavy today, but it's definitely straight to the point. So make sure you guys smash the like and let's get into it. We do have a nice green market overview post UFC 250 at the White House. I don't know if you guys saw the clips from that. That was absolutely crazy. And we'll kind of get into that. I do have an article on that as well. But again, we are seeing some things going on with Bitcoin. Is the bottom in? I want to know, guys, is the Bitcoin bottom in? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. Listen, besties, I know we've been saying it. I know we've been saying it about the Bitcoin charteries. For instance, we always say when everyone says one thing, Bitcoin will do another. Just like how when we started the Daily Zest, we started this podcast when everyone was napping around November of 2022. And everyone at this point, when Bitcoin was at 15 to 17K, look at the chart. Look at the chart. Is everyone looking at this chart? Everyone should confirm they're looking at this chart. Right, TikTok. When everyone said at 15 to 17K Bitcoin, oh, it's going down to 8, it's going down to 10. Everybody and their mother swore it on Twitter. Everybody and their mother said, we're going to 8K, we're going to 10. It never happened. Now, let's go to present day. Everybody right now is saying anywhere from 45, I would say even 20K. People are still calling 20 because they're off their rocker, not on the rocker. They're freaking off it. They're off the rocker. I don't believe we will ever see $20,000 Bitcoin again. That is just like maybe it's my youthful optimism. I don't know. But at the end of the day, everyone swears at least 45K. I don't know. Seems like Bitcoin is curving up right now. I would imagine maybe a 52 to 55K appearance by Bitcoin. But again, going back to that golden zone that we were at right here at 60K, we came right back down and we are rebounding. If that is the bottom, then darn, we were foreseeing this 60K for a really long time. And it happens. I'm very happy if 60K is the lowest we went. Or technically it was like 59 something over here, but we could round up and say 60. Over here, we got 67.5, which is important. Again, 69K, those are your levels back from 2021. Again, back in 2021, you had the highest daily candle close, which was 67.5, 67.6. And then the famous all-time high from the 2021 quote-unquote bull cycle was that 69K. So, of course, 67 to 69K is massively important. And then the 200-day SMA lingers right above us at $77,523, guys. You guys know what makes me happy, which is touching the 200-day SMA, closing above it for a week, and going over to this 93K. That's what we've been asking for quite a bit from Little Bitty. But we are up 1%, 66,350 is the current price. We are looking at the momentum, which is swinging. VWAP is moving. It is confidently moving up. The RSI also, what a freaking major bounce, dude. This is crazy work from the RSI. She is extra energetic today. I just want to know, guys, how many live viewers do you see watching? I think my stream is frozen. Everything is frozen. I think the chat is frozen too. People, I don't know what's going on. Wave me a hello in the chat, please. Also, guys, we do have the RSI with a major bump up. Usually when the RSI flies like this, I get a little bit worried. I mean, I would like if the RSI pulled back just a tiny bit before moving back up just to confirm and make me feel extra happy. But yeah, when the RSI flies up like this, you should be a little bit cautious. But you know what? We'll take the momentum where we can get it right now. So everybody can be happy for a few minutes. Everyone's been stressing. Okay, you guys are seeing that. Okay, I'm seeing only 30. That's my problem. Okay, there you go. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. See, the chat is working now. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys so much again for being here. Bitcoin is moving. Again, let's take a look at this weekly chart. Let's take a look at the weeklies. Weekly. So over here on the weekly, again, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 straight weeks of red, and then we turned green basically with last week's candle. I'm again looking, if you're looking at the weekly chart, 73K, 73.5 is massively important. Massive. So on the weekly chart, we're looking at that upwards goal of about 73.5, 74K. That's it. Bearish level to watch is down here at the 52 to 54K, which is why a lot of people, including us, were saying that for a while. That would be one of our bearish scenarios if we lost the 60K support. But I would like to see an ideal 73K Bitcoin. Now the thing, a lot of people are getting spicy. Especially because people are saying that this rebound in Bitcoin price was because of the US and Iran coming to a peace deal. What is the deal with that? We're also going to look at oil prices. Breaking news starts now. So guys, Donnie T put out this post yesterday. He said the deal with the Islamic Republic of Iran is now complete. Congratulations to all. I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz and simultaneously herewith authorize the immediate removal of the U.S. naval blockade. Ships of the world, start your engines. Let the oil flow. Donnie T. So we are seeing a rebound in Bitcoin. Also a little dumpies in oil, which let's freaking go, guys. Give me reports on gas prices in your area. I started to see like 360 over the weekend, which I was very happy about. 360 gas. Let's send it back down to $2. $2 gas. Let's get it. $2 gas. Anyways, I'm getting really hype over gas prices. Never would I have thought at the ripe age of 23 years old, I am hype over gas prices. I don't know on what level of nerdism this brings me to, but I would like your opinion. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much of a nerd am I that I'm cheering for gas prices right now? Alex, member for 22 months, says Baby Otter, best shout, but MTC in history. Yes, there was a little baby O on the stream this morning that said missteencrypto, and I almost died. I almost fell to the floor. Alex, you can't, you literally cannot, that just made my day. It made my day. I just I don't know, just children make me very happy. I just love the little babies, the little tots. And I just remember when Alex's son was born, and now he speaks. Now he says words. I feel like he was just born yesterday. It's freaking me out. But so beautiful. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, and share. We are trying to get 26,000 subscribers. We have been stuck at 25,901. I just don't know why. YouTube, bring us our friends back. Bring us our friends. Let's keep getting after it. All right, so oil, back to that. I got distracted. But we're at $80 a barrel right now. We're down 4.85%. Again, $77 is where we need to lose support. Send oil down to the negatives again. Remember this? What was this? Negative 27 cent oil. Send it down. I don't want to pay for gas. I feel like we should have free gas for the next 2 months. Give us free gas. Send it down. But I would love to see what the prices are in your area. 315 in Texas. I'm actually surprised that it is that high in Texas. I feel like Texas would just for the humor of it all, because Texas could be its own country, darn it. They would just give everyone $2 gas. That's what they should do in Texas. Yeehaw. Corvette, $5 in New York. That is too ridiculous. Gas is $3.29 over by you. $4.17 in Pennsylvania. What? No way. That's crazy. That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, can we get free gas for 2 months, Donnie T? Everyone put a Donnie T emoji if you think we should get free gas for 2 months. Maybe we should get that going. Maybe we should get that going. Or at least get refunded the amount so we could, like, you know, maybe use it towards our future gas purchases. 360 in Panama City. Oh, wait, that's actually pretty surprising. But we are going to continue to get after it. We have just news. We have news everywhere. Okay, so speaking of oil, Donnie T things. We also had the UFC 250 thing that happened at the White House last night. UFC punch, kaplu, and there was, of course, an involvement with the Donnie T family crypto project, World's Liberty Financial, and they really are trying to legitimize their stablecoin right now, USD1. And so basically they use that stablecoin as a bonus for payouts at the White House UFC event. So this is where crypto took part, but also you would notice on a lot of the fighters, they were wearing a lot of crypto.com merch. Okay. So USD1, the stablecoin issued by the Donnie T family crypto venture World's Liberty Financial, has gone from locking retail depositors out of a DeFi lending pool to being used to pay fighters on the White House lawn. The UFC said Friday that World's Liberty Financial would serve as the presenting partner of a $250,000 performance bonus pool at the UFC Freedom 250, a mixed martial arts contest held on the south lawn of the White House. Again, this was also on Donnie T's 80th birthday yesterday. And again, it was like No War, Donnie T's birthday, and World Liberty Financial all in one shot. And it was a lot to absorb yesterday. A lot of different social posts coming through, flooding the timeline. But we do see that WLFI is kind of just still in hot water within the community because, again, they are just moving things around. People are curious as to the governance and how much the team has in terms of governance power of the project. And these are all, for lack of better words, great questions to have. And apparently they were in like agreements between investors and World's Liberty, but I feel like we should have that public. Nonetheless, it seems like they're trying to push past their own FUD, if you could call it that. But someone told The Guardian, Todd Phillips, he's a crypto expert, he says, paying the fighters in this stablecoin, USD1, would have the same economic function as writing them a check. He said, announcing to the world they're doing it in USD1, it sounds like they're advertising to the world that USD1 is out there and is connected to the UFC and the White House. Again, yes, this is good press for them. They needed the boost. Jersey Twux. Jersey Twux rated the stream. Who's Jersey Twux? Can we say hi? Say hi to me, Jersey Twux. I would love to say hello. Welcome to all my friends on Rumble. We love our Rumble besties. Shout out to Rumble.
Why this $60 invention is making $300 pressure washers obsolete. Because it doesn't...
They needed the boost. This is from Rumble. Okay. Say hello to us on Rumble. We love our Rumble friends. We love our Rumble friends. All right, let's continue. Special like, say good morning to me, please. Please smash the like and say good mornings. Say good morning. What emoji can we use? Give me this emoji. Everyone copy my emoji in the chat. Let's also dive into Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor did buy some Bitcoin on behalf of Strategy. Strategy acquired 1,587 Bitcoin for $100 million to increase their Bitcoin reserve. They now hold 846,842 Bitcoin. They also increased their USD reserve by $100 million to now over $1.1 billion in cash. So, wow. Just wow. Also, I wanted to dive into this. So this is some tea. I want everyone to put XRP emojis in the chat because Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, definitely went after Jamie Dimon on Fox Biz. This is where Brad likes to spill his tea, is on Fox Biz. And he called out a $20 billion reason why. Let's dive into what this is. So Brad Gargar went directly at JP Morgan chief Jamie Dimon on Fox Biz, accusing him of intentional misrepresentation over the Clarity Act. And so Garlinghouse says Jamie Dimon is distorting the bill's compliance implications to protect their own payments businesses, which generate roughly $20 billion in annual revenue and over $5 billion in profit. Oh, would you freaking look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, wasn't this obvious from the start? Wasn't this obvious from the start? You're telling me that Jamie Dimon was just hating the Clarity Act for the sake of protecting his own interests? Shocker. And again, I don't know why this is like such a big shock to a lot of people, because this is what the Clarity Act beef has been about. It's constantly been about banks versus crypto. When again, it was supposed to be Clarity Act for clear roads for crypto, not, oh, what roadblocks can we put for crypto to help the banks? So the problem per Garlinghouse about the Clarity Act in relation to that, he says the Clarity Act doesn't actually reduce burdens. It creates framework where none currently exist. And he said there's this one dispute on one provision. He said stablecoin yields offered on crypto exchanges. And so this is like absolutely insane. And this is what the banks were really flipping their lids about, is the fact that they were worried about yield. Oh, geez. Guys, where are our TikTok mods? We need to get this person out on TikTok. But yeah, that's been the whole thing. They don't like yield. They're scared of yield. They're scared that Americans can what? Maybe outpace inflation and make money. But it's okay. We'll get there anyway. And again, oh, sorry. There's a little ringing going on in the background. But despite all, crypto will survive. And I do double down on this because we've seen it already, is the fact that the Clarity Act, the Genius Act, and a lot of the things that are making headlines right now, it might sound aggressive to say they don't matter. They do right now in a sense, but it's all theater. Like Operation Choke Point 2.0, the Genius Act, Clarity Act, it's majority theater, because in the future, all of these laws are not going to be relevant. I would even say it relates to what the SEC, the Securities Exchange Act, like what the SEC is built on today, cannot apply to crypto, because these are laws made over 100 years ago, or not over, about 100 years ago. And that was pre-technology. That was pre a lot of these things. Like if you were in like the 1920s, would you have been able to understand Bitcoin and crypto, the internet as it is today? The answer is no. The answer is no. So you can't apply rules to old traditional investments when Bitcoin is new. It is open. It is multiple things. It is currency. It is property. It is a store of value. NFTs can be more than just art. It could also be a financial instrument like RWAs. Like there's just so much to tokenization and blockchain that cannot be put in a box of either security or commodity. And I would argue, again, these same headwinds that we're reaching right now with the Clarity Act and the Genius Act, they just really won't be relevant in the future because of how fast this space moves. Like the lawmaking cannot keep up with it. America is way too slow. And that is the major problem. Like we should have checks and balances in the way we do, but it should be a lot faster. But the problem is that you have people like Liz Warren that just and just don't stop talking and wasting all of our time. Thank you so much for the tiaras on TikTok. These are so pretty. Thank you so much. They keep putting crowns on my head. It's really cute. Thank you so much. Who was that? Serotonin. Thank you so much, Serotonin. I appreciate that. But anyways, guys, as we continue to get after it, we are going to go into coins to watch really quick. Again, I told you guys this wouldn't be the longest show in the world today because we do have a lot going on behind the scenes, and plus the news isn't that crazy today, but we're getting to the point. Coins to watch start now. Okay, gainers and losers. Zcash is up 23%, leading the gainers today. WorldCoin is up 22%. Layer 0 is up 27%. Near is up 19%. Arrow is up 18% today. Losers, starting with that, is Beats down about 22%. Sky AI down 3.5%. Donny T token is down that 1.6. Stable is down 0.5, and meme core is down 0.2% today. Thank you, Serotonin, for all the guests. They're just putting things on my head. It's really cute. Like, I absolutely love it. Oh gosh, I can't. I think I actually have to get rid of chats coming on my screen. I'm just gonna get rid of the chats from now on, because I just can't trust people anymore. Sorry guys, I have to remove that. I just for today, maybe just for today. But yeah, guys, we're gonna continue to get after it. This week, again, is super busy. We have a lot going on. So just remember, guys, that today we have a community after show. So everyone is invited, member or not. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will have a show. Wednesday, we'll have our members only after show. So if you have not yet, please become a member of the channel. And if we get 150 likes tomorrow, I will give away 10 memberships to the YouTube channel. If we get 150 likes on tomorrow's show, I will give away 10 memberships to the YouTube channel. So that way you guys have your memberships, and you guys can put all these emojis on our Europe vlogs. I'm thinking of doing Europe vlogs. So if you guys want Europe vlogs, enter that poll in the chat. So again, we are going to Litecoin Summit next week. So literally it starts a week from today. We're going to be at Litecoin Summit in Amsterdam. This is 2 days of Litecoin fun. Hang out with me and the nerds. We are going to have speaking sessions, all the panels, and we're going to have like some freaking A-listers there. We're going to have like besties from Coinbase. My bestie, John D'Agostino, is going to be there. We got Leslie. I freaking love Leslie. I cannot wait to see her. You guys saw I did an interview with the Lit VM with S-Tech. He'll be there. Charlie Lee, the freaking man himself, is going to be there. John Kim, you could go harass him with me. Marty Simpson, he's a comedian. He's a funny dude. Like, we just have all the besties. Oh, wait, that's me. That's me. So please be there, hang out. It's going to be such a great time. And the guy literally behind MWeb, come on. Come hang out with us. It's going to be so great. Jesse's going to be there. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's going to be such a great time. So if you have not yet, please smash a like, subscribe to the channel. We're going to continue to go to Europe, and I'm going to do my best to be streaming as much as possible from there. I am really excited. But yeah, guys, litecoin.com/summit. Did I put that in the chat yet? I believe I did. Litecoin.com/summit. Come hang out with us. But I do appreciate you guys. And if you guys have not yet, please check out Uphold, especially if you travel. The XRP debit card and the EXA Visa signature credit card give you a bunch of perks, especially the EXA one, because it's a credit card, it's a signature one, but there's no foreign fee. So if you're someone that travels like me and you bounce around, you should get one of at least a travel debit or credit card that benefits you massively. Speaking from experience, these fees are freaking high if you do not have a credit card that allows you to transact internationally. So definitely go ahead and do that. Get your stuff. Go to Uphold. You could stake on there. There's just so many things that you could do over on Uphold that I think will really benefit you guys if you want to go check it out. Again, I don't tell you what to do, where to put your money, but if you want to buy, sell, do whatever you want to do, whatever tickles your fancy, Uphold will definitely do it for you. And Cake Wallet is just the best. It is an open source wallet that you have the keys to, and that is the most important thing, is to be your own bank. So thank you guys so much. Again, if we get 150 likes tomorrow, then I will give out 10 memberships to the YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much. Go into the after show. If you have not yet, go to Discord, sign up for the Discord. Everyone is invited to hang out, member or not. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Happy Monday. And I will see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Please be here tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. And hopefully we can get 26,000 subscribers this week. Again, we really want to share this out. So we have 98 subscribers to go. So hopefully we can hit that goal. I'm so excited. We will have Blockchain Academy. Don't worry, Blockchain Academy will happen Tuesday and Thursday. So whiteboard lessons or just lessons in general are coming through. So don't worry. Guys, go to Discord. I'll see you in there in a moment. Smash like, subscribe, share this out with friends, and I will see you guys in just a moment in Discord. Bye. Peace.